Hello, fifth grade. I would like to introduce you to our cat Snowball. He's by his post, hoping that we'll give him a treat for scratching his post rather than our furniture. And so I wanted you to meet him on the last of a series of 3 videos you're doing. And it's kind of cloudy outside today. You may have seen some other videos of me doing stuff in the backyard. Kind of cloudy out there. We're gonna walk over and I'm gonna go to the book. We are gonna be finishing the book today. You should have your book open to page 302, and this is about cleaning your blood. So let's take a look at some highlights. The circulatory system doesn't do its work alone. It does carry the oxygen and nutrients, and it brings the waste products back in the blood, carbon dioxide, unwanted minerals. But you have to have other things to get rid of some of those waste. And we're going to be talking about 3 of them today. That's the skin, the lungs, and the kidneys that help clean out waste. So the main thing your skin does to clean out waste is when you sweat. You may not think sweating is good, but it really is. Sweat is a mixture of the water, salts, and other waste, and they move to your sweat glands. And then when you get hot, then that's when you perspire or sweat. If you'll see in your book, there is showing you a sweat gland in your skin. Okay, it's a cross section of your skin. The next one is your lungs. We've been talking about this a lot. Your lungs get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste when you exhale, and that's through respiration, which we already had a chapter on. The next thing we'll briefly talk about is your kidneys. Here is a diagram of your kidneys. Most people have 2 kidneys, and each kidney is about the size of your fist. There's a lot of things that kidneys do, but the most important is cleaning your blood. So waste from the blood, they will go into your kidneys from the renal artery, and there is a diagram that shows you the renal artery. There's tiny filters called nephrons in there. So let's look where the nephrons are labeled. Okay? They clean the blood by removing the waste material, and the waste that have been cleaned are combined with water to make urine, and they're stored in the bladder. Urine is when you go tinkle, and when you go tinkle, it should be a light lemonade look or even clearer. If it is not, then you probably need to drink more liquid. Okay, let's flip our page to 304. So this is just going to end up your chapter. It's talking about protecting your heart and staying healthy. So it says, these are quotes you've probably heard: stay active, get plenty of exercise, eat your vegetables, visit the doctor for regular checkups. A healthy heart and body are important to God. There's heart-related problems. Some of them are inherited, but there's many of them that your habits and choices, even when you are young, can affect the health of your heart. Okay, let's look at that second column. It says eating the right kind of foods is one of the best ways to keep your heart healthy. It can prevent even many heart problems. An example that they give you here is if you eat a lot of fried food and potato chips, it can damage the arteries and they can become clogged. Here's a diagram down here of a healthy artery and a clogged artery that has fat buildup inside it. Okay? So let's look at the last page of the book, of your 5th grade science book. Another thing, they're showing you some kids exercising there. Exercising is good for your heart as well as your whole body. They give you some examples: walking, running, swimming, bike riding, jump roping. They will all strengthen your heart. Not smoking, of course, it damages the heart. A lot of people think about it damaging the lungs, but it also damages the heart and blood vessels. And so That's something to keep in mind. So the last section, remembering our Creator, you have an amazing transportation system. There is no man-made transportation system that could ever be as efficient. The more we learn about our heart and the blood that it pumps, the more amazed we are by the creation of God. Now, the last part of the book is giving us a scripture, and this is a good way to end our 5th grade science book. Colossians 1:16 through 17. All things were created by him and for him, and he is before all things, and by him all things consist. And that is true. Now, this concludes our science book. Now, for Monday, I have down for you to do Activity Manual AM 203 to finish up. But you're welcome to go ahead and do that today. You can work ahead. You should also be looking for a Quizlet review on the school website. You will have a short Chapter 12 test, and then we will end the year with an experiment. I hope to see you soon. Love y'all. Bye.